Back to Nairobi, pedestrians who frequent the Haile Selassie Mombasa Road Uhuru Highway and Gong Road roundabout will soon be required to use an underpass to avoid interrupting traffic flow at the busy intersection.
That's right. The Green Park Terminus pedestrian underpass network, worth 2 billion shillings, is now at 97% complete and is expected to be open to the public before the end of the year.
Catherine Imuraget with more.
Being constructed by China Roads and Bridge Corporation as part of Smart City Initiative, comes with outstanding features of a pedestrians divided into 4 tunnels with a total length of 176 meters. Underpass 1 cuts from Haile Selassie towards railways. Underpass 2 cuts through Mombasa Road. Underpass 3 leads to Upper Hill, and Underpass 4 leads passengers towards Westlands. For differently abled people, the facility has 7 elevators and tactile tiles to guide people with visual impairment. The underpass has 36 stores and shops that are expected to boost security around and to provide a business environment.
Kuhimiza kwa ministry wachukue hatua yoyote inawezekana. Wanaweza chukua dio wale watu Kenya wote wanakufa kwa barabara. Iyo mambo tupunguze.
Apart from enhancing safety of the pedestrians, the project that started in December 2023 is also aimed at reducing travel times, leading to faster and efficient transport services and improved logistics.
Kuna nafasi za biashara hapa, lakini tunahimiza kwa ministry wahakikishe kuko na security ya kutosha, na sio kila kona, kila mahali mtu ameweka vitu za biashara. Hii place ikuwe manage vizuri vile expressway imekuwa manage vizuri.
It is expected that the facility will serve 21,000 pedestrians on a daily basis, on a 24-hour basis, with police officers on patrol to enhance security around the area.
Mradi kama huu usimalizikie hapa, uone kuwa umeweza kwenda katika sehemu nyingi sana za mji wetu huu mkuu na pia vile vile kwa miji mingine.
Kenyans must also help our nation to ensure that we are orderly people who will make sure that we follow the instructions given. This place should never be a place for people to hide.
The other features include 2 blocks with washrooms, both for males and females, and an equipment room. Around the facility, there are 2 water tanks that have a capacity of 150,000 liters. The members of Parliamentary Transport Committee who toured the underpass praised the road's authority on the safety and security issues for the pedestrians. They said they have identified some gaps which require to be rectified before its launch.
Mradi kama huu usimalizikie hapa, uone kuwa umeweza kwenda katika sehemu nyingi sana za mji wetu huu mkuu na pia vile vile kwa miji mingine.
Kenyans must also help our nation to ensure that we are orderly people who will make sure that we follow the instructions given. This place should never be a place for people to hide.
Catherine Imuraget, KTN, Nairobi.
Well, the underpass at face value seems to be a good initiative, only if they tick the security boxes.
All right, on that note, let's take a break. We'll be back with more news updates.